Once upon a time, in a small, peaceful village surrounded by lush green hills, there lived a curious boy named Rohan. Rohan loved exploring and learning new things. One day, he heard an intriguing tale from an old storyteller. Deep in the forest, the storyteller said, "There is a magical well that whispers the best life advice to those who ask it sincerely." Rohan was fascinated. "I must find this well," he thought. The next morning, he packed some food, said goodbye to his parents, and set off on his adventure. After hours of walking through the dense forest, Rohan finally found the well. It stood in a small clearing, shimmering under the sunlight. Nervously, he leaned over and whispered, "Oh magical well, what is the best advice for living a happy and successful life?" The well rippled with light and replied in a soft, soothing voice. 1. Be kind. Kindness is the key to forming lasting friendships. When you help others, the world becomes a better place for everyone. 2. Be curious. Never stop learning. Ask questions, explore new ideas, and let your imagination soar. 3. Be honest. Speak the truth and be true to yourself. Honesty builds trust and respect. 4. Work hard. Success doesn't come easy. Work with determination, and you will achieve your dreams. 5. Be grateful. Appreciate what you have, your family, friends, and the beauty of nature around you. Rohan listened carefully and thanked the well. As he made his way back to the village, he decided to share this wisdom with everyone. When he returned, Rohan gathered the villagers and told them about the magical well's advice. The villagers were amazed and promised to live by these lessons. They noticed that the more they followed the well's advice, the happier and more united the village became. Years later, Rohan grew up and became a wise and beloved leader of the village. People from faraway lands came to learn the secret of their happiness. Rohan would smile and say, "The best life advice is simple. Be kind, curious, honest, hardworking, and grateful." The village thrived not because of wealth or power, but because everyone followed the magical well's advice. And Rohan's story became a legend, reminding children everywhere that the best lessons are the simplest and most powerful ones. Moral: the best life advice is to be kind, curious, honest, hardworking, and grateful. These values light the path to happiness and success for everyone.